how you all doing out there? Well, I'm going to do some stand-up comedy to start the show. And now I think, what are you doing? Oh, I was just starting the show. You're not supposed to start the show with stand-up comedy at the second of the show. Ah, what's that doing? I don't know. Well, anyway, enjoy the program. That's better. Just enjoy the program. I'm sorry for him. Shut up! What's my line again? First kid. Nothing like a good day out of that city and into our studio. Right, Joby? I said right, Joby? I said right, Joby? I said right, Joby. Sorry. What's the? Oh yes, the program. Okay, so the real program. I just want to introduce our guest star, and our guest star is actually a good friend of my brother's, which escaped from my back of my car. Please introduce our guest star, Ben Legotized. Anyway, I'm just gonna stop dilly-dally. Okay, so anyway, our guest star is, that's good. The guest star is Blaine. I said the guest star is Blaine. Whee! You okay? So anyway, how you doing? Want to thank anybody out there? You don't talk much, do you? Well, what do you have to say?
It's good to be on the show.
That's all? That's all? And by the way, can you talk louder or can you talk much? Do you talk much?
No.
That explains a lot. Alright. Well, anyway, he's going to be on the show. Isn't that right? Mm-hmm. Can you talk in real sense?
No.
Just enjoy the program. Ow, I just felt. That was just my impression of him. He doesn't talk much. What I meant by impression is, yeah, I'll just go to the program. Are you okay? Hand, we're waiting for you. Next kid. I'm still here. Whatever happened to Job anyway? Meanwhile, Joby. Okay, you can stop that now. Hey, Joby. I triple dog dare you to jump down there, and if you get hurt, well, you don't earn this $50 bill. What? Oh, yeah, I remember. You work in the bank. Yeah. I'll just give you this $50 bill I have in my pocket. Okay. Wait. What did you say? I don't want to do... Is that your Noah impression again? Yes. Can you stop doing that? No. Okay. Just keep doing your Noah impression. Okay, can you stop doing that? Fine. That's the last time you're doing it? Yep. But you just... Okay, never mind that. Okay, so I triple dog dare you to go down there. Yeah. Say, isn't that from a movie? Clearly, you see, you need some explanation. It's from that movie, Halloween Story. No, it's not. It's from a Thanksgiving story. No, it's not. It's from a Christmas story. Can't you just get out of here? Fine. I triple dog dare you to jump down there. Okay. Boing. Boing. I'm still falling. Alright. Here it goes. Get it up, do your own impression. Here it goes. Get it up, do it, I said. Wow, that must have hurt him.
Did someone give me crutches?
Wow, that's loud for being down a cliff. Can you say that again? I couldn't hear you.
Did someone give me crutches?
I stand corrected. I guess I have to go get him crutches. Ow. Well, I'm certainly not going to win those $50. Sorry, am I late? Am I early? Am I here? Okay. Hello. Where'd you come from? Everyone's doing impressions of me. Please stop it. Oh wait, is that Noah voice or is that voice-atizer? Did you stop using the voice-atizer? Fine. I always use this. For the voice of me! Well, why don't we just stop standing here, Blaine, and, talk a little. Yeah, let's talk a little. Please stop using my... Sorry. I said stop using my voice. Oh. I told you, stop. So anyways, let's talk a little about yourself, and what's that thing that's pointing next to you? I hope it's not what I just hope it's not about... Save it! Save it for the Tooth Fairy. No wonder they call him mentally crooky. I love that saying, mentally crooky. Blaine, are you actually gonna stop saying my voice and do something? Whatever you do not, I repeat, do not say... Wait, say that again. You should say hi. I'm gonna go kill you. Say your last words. Hey, what are you... My last words. Okay, what kind of jig-jab makes you guys either turn it... What's that? I don't know. Turn it to my voice, or just... Okay, anyway. What are people thinking about those stupid jig-jabs? Okay. Okay, sorry about that. Wait, sorry about what? Okay, can you stop using my voice? Okay, just leave some questions in the comments below, yeah, just leave some questions. Please favorite this video. Please don't favorite. And why is the hand that's... Sorry, my mom's just fighting with my dog Ollie again. What? Did she kill it? No, she was just playing dead. Okay, that's enough. This is too wacky and crazy. Let's go questions! Please don't. Please do. Okay, we'll end the video.